And guys, without further ado, let's get started at Gilded Bird 4226. And the Gilded Bird is full. Good luck. 7 times on the dice. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Red Sox up top. Dodgers at the bottom. 7 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Tyler up top. Jamie Shealy at the bottom. Let's sort them out. In Gilded Bird, the Red Sox did not sort. They're up top. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Okay, the last box of Gilded in the building. Let's end it with a heater. Again, the last box of Gilded we got. Yeah, I saw that, Ryan. Good luck here, guys. Gilded collection. Got our gold frame. Good luck, good luck. Apparently that guy's got multiple, warrants out and everything, Ryan. Stan Musial, 3 out of 25 for the Cardinals. And Joseph Cornett. Stan the man to 25. Nice start there for the Cardinals. And Joseph. Got Aaron Judge for the Yankees, 67 out of 99. Got a Daniel Arena. O'Neal Cruz, 41 out of 75. Gold Wave for the Pirates. Pirates. Going to Terry Stack. First ink, Gabriel Moreno for the Diamondbacks. 54 out of 75. Going to Josh Cox. There you go, Josh. 54 out of 75. And good luck on the the gold frame. What do we got? /99. Harold Baines. Hall of Fame autograph for the Chicago White Sox. Chicago going to Tyler Althouse. Harold Baines /99. Again, to recap it. Got O'Neal Cruz to 75. Judge /99. Stan the Man to 25. Gabriel Moreno to 75 on the ink. And Harold Baines Hall of Fame gold framed autograph /99. Again, Gilded Bird in the books, guys. That's the break. Thanks for the fill. Multiple breaks close on the site. Do have a couple people